In this video, I will show you how to fix "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome, click on three dots at the top right, then click on Delete Browsing Data, switch to Advanced tab and set the time range to all time. Select Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and other site data, Cached image and files, Site settings, Hosted app data. Click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Restart Chrome and check if the issue is resolved. If not, open the Chrome browser again. Click on three dots at the top right. Open Chrome Settings. Scroll down and select Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. Close Chrome. Relaunch it and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still persist, open the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the command prompt and enter the following codes one by one. The codes will be given in the description. Wait for the process to finish and restart your computer. If the issue still goes on, click on Network icon in the taskbar. Select Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click on it. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Google DNS, preferred 8.8.8.8, alternative 8.8.4.4. You can also use Cloudflare DNS as an alternative. The preferred is 1.1.1.1, alternative is 1.0.0.1. Click OK, close all windows and restart Chrome. And that's it. I hope this video helps to fix your Google Chrome issue. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.